this is Farzam Asad, and this is my final project attempt for CS50P. And the project that I created is actually password manager and password generator. Now, in this project we have basically a lot of things that talks about encryption and decryption. We are using file IO, and for this for the process of encryption and decryption, we first of all need a master key. For this master key, I will just generate a master key, and a new key will be created with the name K. Moving on, I need to create a new password file, and in the password file I'll be storing all the password or the content which I want to encrypt or decrypt. Now, moving on, I'll enter a website which will be google.com and a password which will be just a random password, and it prompts me to enter one more website. If I want to, I can actually deny the process, so I can use the prompt in order to exit out of this choice, and now I'll use N and decline its humble offer. Moving on, I want to decrypt the passwords file. Now, to encrypt the password file, what we are going to do is we will need to first of all read data from the password file and use a specific key. When we're using the specific key, what we will do is start or initiate the process of encryption. Now I'll use the encrypted file, and an encrypted file will be created. Now notice that the encrypted file name is EN, so I will use this encrypted file to get a specific password. So moving on to the option number 5, get a password from an existing file. Encrypted file will be entered, and the key by which we have encrypted the file will be used. Now we will use the enter your website module, and we will enter our website. In this case, I'll use Google, and it shows me the password for Google. Now, moving on, if I want to, for example, need a new kind of password, then what can I do is use a password generator which I have already integrated into the program, and it shows me a password which is a collection of alphanumeric digits along with the special characters. Lastly, if I want to add a new file, add a new password to the encrypted file, what I will do is enter a new website. Okay, so in this case we will use spotify.com and enter a new password, in this case music. And now I'll enter a new file name. Now this file name will be used to read the data, and it will override the data into the encrypted file. So we'll use the key, and now we'll use the encrypted file EN. Now the data in the encrypted file is overwritten by the passwords file with a new entry. Now if I want to, for example, check whether the password is added to the encrypted file or not, I will use to get the file. Now EN, and I'll use the key. Lastly, I'll just add the password or the website name for which I need a password to, and it shows me the website. Now this was my final year project, and I hope that you liked it. All the different things are saved as a file, and you can also read the MD file, and I have also specified every single detail into the MD file. Now thank you for hearing my project. This is Farzam Asad signing off.